So the next thing that I'm going to do is settle the coffee into the portafilter basket, which is this motion here. It's kind of going to settle the coffee down into the basket. It's going to enable you, each time you tap it, to fit another gram of espresso grinds down in that basket. Now that it's settled down in there, I'm going to dose a little bit more coffee into the basket. The next thing you're going to see me do is take the lid off here, and I'm going to level off the coffee in the portafilter basket. And when I'm doing that, I'm not only creating a nice, even, flat surface on the top of the basket, but I'm also pushing around the coffee inside the basket in such a way that it's kind of evenly distributed inside. All right. The reason that you do that is if you have an area of the portafilter basket where there is less coffee than another area of the basket, it's going to create a path of least resistance where the water is going to travel through during the extraction process. It's going to create an extraction flaw that you're going to be able to taste in the final cup.